cucumber, oatmeal, and honey face mask. This recipe may be a good option for acne-prone skin. Together with cucumber's astringent properties, oatmeal can help exfoliate and remove dead skin cells, while honey can work to balance the bacteria on your skin. Blend half an unpeeled cucumber in a blender or food processor until it's the consistency of a watery paste. Separate the juice from any solid bits by pouring the mixture through a strainer. Well, we need here 4 teaspoons of cucumber juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well. And we add 1 teaspoon of oatmeal and stir until well blended. Apply the mixture over your face and neck and massage gently with your fingertips. Let the mask sit on your skin for about 15 minutes and rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. For best results, always thoroughly cleanse your skin before applying a mask and be sure that you've removed all makeup. When applying a cucumber face mask, gently massage the mask into your skin in small circular motions. This helps the ingredient to penetrate your pores. It also stimulates blood flow on the surface of your skin. Don't use a face mask more than 1 or 2 times a week. Overuse can irritate your skin or disrupt the natural balance of oils. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you so much for watching.